Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Jean and I'm doing great. Tonic's studio time. This is the November box, so let's just jump right on in, shall we? Not being sponsored as usual. So let's see all what we're gonna have this month. You know I'm going to swatch everything, so let's just take out. So we've got some glitter crystal drops in pink champagne. And then we have some dream drops and fairy wings. Ooh. Oh, and we've got 3 things of washi tape. Oh, those are pretty. I like that one a lot. I like that one too. And then we've got some mousse. Oh no, the glacier paste in the color Green Envy. I actually bought some that should be coming any day, and I'm wondering if this is the green because I got red and green. Oh, so but anyway, because I really like that from the last box that I got it in. It's very shimmery. We've got a glitter marker in Iced Americano. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, we have, I think these are the alcohol markers. Yep. And cookies and cream. So, what colors are they? Garlic, clove, brown sugar, and coconut shell. So, brownish colors. These would be good for skin tones. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, we've got some dimensional foam pads. Alright, they're pretty big, but not too thick though. They're kind of a little thin, huh? Let's see. And, oh good, we got another book. It's time for another one of those. I'm glad they always give us those. So we're on number 27. And, let's see. Create something magical every day. Oh, isn't that nice? I like that sticker. Uh-oh, something's coming new from Tim Holtz. It's a travel media mat. Whoa. So it's like my mat that I have, but I don't think it's for, but I don't think it's as big, maybe. And they have one for left-handed people too. That's nice, isn't it? What is that though? I don't know. But it's coming. Alright, let's see. What are our stamps? Oh, you're enchanting. So we've got some mushrooms and leaves and acorns. Pine cones. That's cute. Okay, so I'll stamp those in a minute. And then we have, this is, I think it's fairy frame die set. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Oh, that's going to be so cute. Oh, so they're circular. And they have, oh, it's going to look foresty. And then here, if you just want circles. And it's got a couple of fairies. And then it's got a couple of the leaves for your stamped leaves. Let's see, it's got a little flower, 2 flowers, dies down here, and it looks like a corner piece. So I will cut those out to see what those look like. Alright, let's check the paper out. And again, we're not getting a 6x6 pad. Maybe they've stopped doing that. Because before we would get a 6x6 pad with the paper. Well, I guess they're not going to do that anymore. Because they're like, not today. All right, let's see. Let's see what beautiful paper they give us. Ooh, I love this paper. It's so beautiful. This is their pearlescent card, a gleaming lilac. And it is gleaming. It's beautiful. I love it. This is a specialty card, Champagne Harlequin. That's pretty too. This would be pretty on a wedding card. Glitter card. Opulent Orchid. Oh my god, that is beautiful. I like that too. Oh, this is just their basic classic card, olive green. And here's a mirror card, and it is pink chiffon. That's pretty too. And then they have a basic card again, or classic card, and this is in champagne. It's pretty. And then the last one is falling glitter. Oh, I get that. Isn't that cute? Oh, look, on camera it really does look like it's glitter. It's very textured. Oh, I just love their paper. I love their paper. Okay, dokie. Alright, so that's all of our paper. And now we'll swatch all of our other goodies that we've gotten. Oops, sorry. Just to see what they look like. Let me get my swatch book out. Alright. So we'll swatch over on this side. Alright, let me open everything up and I'll be back. Okay, so I've got everything open. Let's start with the Iced Americano. So it's a glitter pen. Oh, it's pretty. I'm just going to write what it is. Iced Americano. Alright, and then this is pink champagne in the glitter drops. Okay, and then this is the dream drops, which are kind of pearlescent when they dry. Oh, that's going to be pretty. Ooh-wee, I like that. And then the glacier, paste, which is very, 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 very glittery. It doesn't look like it right now, but when that dries, it will be very glittery. It's beautiful. Okay. And that is in Ivy Green Envy, rather. Scooch you in a little bit. I mean, can you see that glitter? It's so, oh, it's so beautiful. Alright, let's see. And now let's check out the markers. And this is garlic clove. Well, that's disappointing that if you take that off. So this is the lighter color. Okay. And then this is brown sugar. I don't like that they don't have the name. And like when you take that off to use it, that's a pretty color. And it is a chisel in a bullet. And then the very last color is, oh man, oh, it fell right into the web. And then this one is coconut shell. Well, I guess they have the number on the end, so I guess that's good. They don't have the name on it, so I'm just moving that over. And you need to store this flat too. Alright, and then we got coconut shell. These are really nice skin tones. I could see me using them as skin tones, totally. Okay, so those are good. They're not dried out. That's nice. Let's see, what else? Let's put some washi tape on here, see what it will look like. I really like this washi tape. It's really pretty. Oof. I like that a lot. I like this one too. I like the pattern ones. Very cool. And then just the plain old yellow. Probably use the yellow like on my watercolor. I mean, it's a pretty color though. It's very vibrant. Alright, what else? I think that's everything. Oh, we've got the foam pads. Let's just open them. Let you see how thin they are. They're really thin. See how thin that is? It's pretty thin. So they're probably as thick as the foam tape. You know, the 3M foam tape? Probably that thick. Alright, let's look at the stamps. We'll stamp these. We can get an idea of what these look like. Okay. That's cute. Huh. Okay. I see. I see how they doing. Okay, these are nice. What's cool is, you know, you'll die cut out your leaves, these two leaves, and then you've got your stamp to stamp the veins in. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool idea. Alright, so that is all of that stuff. And once again, okay, so let me get a piece of scrap paper and I will cut out the die pieces so that we can take a look at those. Look at that glitter. Golly. I like that glitter too. I'm sad that these got all grody, but it'll be alright. Alright, so let me cut those out and I'll be right back. Okay, so this set right here, this is what it looks like, and I played a little bit with the leaf there with some of that glacier paste, and I stamped it with some Distress Oxide and Vintage Photo. So this is what the circles would look like if you just cut them out by themselves. This is what the vines look like. They're so cute. Got little leaves going on. And then here are our two cute little fairies. So they are big enough to color. If you want to color those. And then on the other set, these right here, let me show you the flowers first. So here's the rose. It's cute, isn't it? So there's the rose, and then here's the tiny little flower. You can use that. Okay, and then the leaf. Here's the leaf. Again, I played with it. Cute. I think it turned out cute. Okay, and now when I just cut out the nest just like it is on here, this is what it looks like. So, you know, it's all intertwined. Then when I went back and used the smaller ring here on the outside of the small ring there, this is what I ended up getting. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. I love the little mushrooms, the little flowers. Isn't that so cute? Then when I went and cut this out, at first I just put the middle in, which is this small ring on this side. But of course the outside didn't get cut out. So I didn't keep that one. So you would have this cut out, but then you have all around it, you know, card. So then I went and I used both of these, the little one in the middle and the big one on the outside. And then that's what happened there. Isn't that gorgeous? It's gorgeous. And then the very last one, again, I put the larger ring on the other. Put this ring in the middle, and then this is what I got out of that. Isn't that delicate? Isn't that so pretty? I love it. And then I thought, well, what if I didn't put that ring in the middle, and then this is what it would look like. So, and I'm sure that you can put this in the middle, right? And you would have a bigger border, and then you would have this on the inside, right? But with a bigger border around. So it's fun to play with this stuff, right? So that's all the dies, and that's all of our goodies that we have gotten. I really like this. I think it's so cute. I think it's would be really cute for like the springtime. Just little, any fall little thing, or not fall, but spring maybe. So I think it just is so cute. I think it's adorable. So that's everything that we got. Stamps, dies, glacier paste, glitter pen, alcohol markers, Nuvo drops, crystal drops, and dream drops, washi tape, and foam squares. So that's pretty nice. I like this kit. I don't think I will probably do a project because I am busy working on my 12 days of Craftmas. So I doubt I will do a project with this, but I did want to show what it is. Let's see, is this, well, that's not quite dry enough, but you see how it will be pearlescent. I love these dream drops. They are so pretty. And then the glitter drops. I will say I would still prefer, I don't know, this was glitter drops from the number 24. They're pretty sparkly, but I don't know, I think Stickles may still have them beat on the glitter stuff. So alright y'all, well that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you were interested in knowing what the Tonic Kit is, I will have a description, or I'll have the link down in the description in case you want to go take a gander. I'm going to go and I'm going to investigate a little bit about this Tim Holtz thing, because I have a feeling it's just smaller, because I have that and I really love it. I use it all the time. So, but I hope that this helped you, it inspired you, or if you wanted to go and get the kit and you were like, it's nice. So, alright y'all, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. Alright y'all, be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later.